Now we have known what is Power BI. Let's know why Power BI. You can connect, transform, and load millions of rows of data. Access data from virtually anywhere. Database tables, flat files, web, cloud services, folders, etc. And the best thing about it is, as when I was doing some experiments with it, when you download and upload data from web, it gets updated automatically. So it provides you an easy flow of information. It also helps in creating fully automated workflows to extract, transform, and load data for analysis. Remember this term ETL, which is very common usage among data analytics experts: extract, transform, and load. You can build relational data models to blend data from multiple sources, create table relationships to analyze holistic performance across an entire relational data model. Also, also you can define complex calculations using data analysis expressions, enhance data sets, and enable advanced analytics with powerful and portable DAX expressions. So DAX is a kind of language which is a front end language we'll see when we'll be doing experiments in Power BI. So we'll bring data to life with interactive reports and dashboards, build professional quality reports and dashboards with best in class visualization tools. If you do this course from IntelliQurv, you will get to know that what we are teaching you will help you in your corporate career and will enhance your profile among your managers, among your teams, and you will see what we are teaching you when you'll work around it. You'll develop a versatile, in demand skill set. As I said before, Power BI is an industry leader in self service BI, and the skills you build in this course will be highly transferable. You can teach them to your teammates, to your juniors, and they will always respect you for that. Thank you.